everyone! Welcome back to Easy English Friends channel. How are you today, Ben?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. I'm a bit hungry, to be honest.
Hungry? Perfect! Today we go shopping for food.
Oh, supermarket time?
Yes, supermarket English. Quantities, prices, and deals. Real-life stuff.
Nice. I always feel shy in a store. So many words, so many signs.
Don't worry, we will practice together. Small lines, easy words, real examples.
Great. I have my basket ready. Well, not really, but in my mind.
First, why does this matter? Because we all buy food. Every week, sometimes every day.
True. And we talk to people, cashiers, staff, other shoppers.
Exactly. Okay, let's start at the door. You take a cart or a basket.
Cart has wheels, basket is small. Got it.
If you're not sure, ask, "Excuse me, where are the baskets?"
Excuse me, where are the baskets? Easy.
Good. Now the main word, aisle. It sounds like aisle. The S is silent.
Aisle. Aisle. Okay.
Aisle numbers help you find things. Which aisle is the rice?
Which aisle is the rice? Nice. I can say that.
Try a softer voice and a friendly face. People help more when you sound kind.
Good tip. I will smile. Like this.
Now we need some basics. Bread, milk, eggs, rice, fruit, and veggies.
Let's go. I love the bakery smell.
Me too. At the bakery, you can say, "A loaf of bread, please."
Loaf means one big piece, right?
Yes, 1 loaf, 2 loaves. But keep it simple. 2 loaves of bread.
2 loaves of bread. Yum.
In produce, we use words like bunch, head, and piece. A bunch of bananas, a head of lettuce, a piece of ginger.
A bunch of bananas, a head of lettuce, a piece of ginger. Aha!
Good. Pronunciation tip. Lettuce is short. Lettuce, not lettuce. Say it quick.
Lettuce. Quick. Got it.
Now, quantities. For fruit and veggies, we often use weight, kilos or grams. You can say, "Half a kilo of apples, please," or 200 grams of mushrooms.
Half a kilo of apples. 200 grams of mushrooms. Easy.
If you don't know the weight, say, "Just 2 apples, please," or 3 potatoes.
Nice. I like simple numbers.
At the dairy section, a bottle of milk, a carton of milk, or a tub of yogurt.
A bottle of milk. A carton of milk. A tub of yogurt. I'm ready.
Eggs are fun. We say a dozen. It means 12. A dozen eggs, please.
A dozen eggs. But what if I want 6?
Then say half a dozen eggs.
Half a dozen eggs. Great.
Now prices. You can ask, "How much is this?" or "How much are these?"
Singular and plural. How much is this apple? How much are these apples?
Perfect! Another line. What's the price per kilo or per pound? It depends on your country.
What's the price per kilo? I'll use that.
Some stores have deals. On sale, 2 for 1, buy 1, get 1 free, or 2 for $5.
Yes, I love a deal. I feel like a hero.
Me too! If you see 2 for 5, but you want only 1, you can ask, "Is 1 still the same price?"
Good question. Maybe 1 is $3, but 2 are 5.
Exactly. Another useful thing, unit price. It's the small number on the shelf label. It tells you the price per 100 grams or per liter.
So I can compare sizes. Smart shopping.
Yes! Okay, mini practice. I'm the worker, you are the shopper. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, please. Which aisle is the pasta?
Aisle 5. Anything else?
What's the price per kilo for apples?
$3 per kilo today.
Great. I'll take half a kilo.
Nice! That sounded natural.
Thanks. I felt good.
Small repair moment. You said, "I'll take half kilo." Add a half a kilo.
Right. Half a kilo. Thanks.
Now, deli counter. Cheese, ham, sliced meat. You can say, "Could I get 200 grams of cheddar, please?"
Could I get 200 grams of cheddar, please? Polite and clear.
Add thickness if you want. Thin slices, please, or a little thicker, please.
Thin slices, please. Easy.
If they offer samples, they may ask, "Would you like to try?" You can answer yes, please, or no, thank you.
Yes, please.
Now, pronunciation time. Repeat after me. Listen to the stress. I make the keyword strong. How much is this?
How much is this?
Good. And 245.
245.
On sale today.
On sale today.
Great rhythm. That helps people understand you fast.
I can feel the music of English. Boom, boom.
Now a mini story. Scene 1. You need dinner for tonight.
Oh no, I'm hungry now.
You go to produce. You see tomatoes. You say, "Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes?"
They're $1.50 per kilo.
You say, "I'll take 1 kilo, please." Then you go to pasta. You ask, "Which aisle is the pasta?" You get spaghetti and tomato sauce.
I can cook. Easy dinner.
Exactly. Scene 2, you plan a small party. You need snacks and drinks.
Fun.
You read a sign, "Buy one, get one free on chips." You say, "Wow, a deal." You take 2 bags.
Nice.
For drinks, you ask, "Do you have a bigger bottle?" Staff says, "Yes, 2-liter bottles are over there." You reply, "Thanks, I'll take 2.
I like this party.
Scene 3, breakfast plan. You want bread, eggs, and fruit. You say, "A loaf of whole wheat bread, please, half a dozen eggs, and a bunch of bananas."
Healthy start.
Good. Now some common mistakes and gentle fixes.
Uh-oh.
Mistake. How much are this? Fix. How much is this for one item? For many, how much are these?
How much is this? How much are these? Got it.
Mistake. Where is milk? Fix. Where is the milk, or which aisle is the milk?
Which aisle is the milk? Clear.
Mistake. I want 2 breads. For bread, say 2 loaves of bread.
Right. Count loaves, not breads.
Exactly. Micro practice time. Echo me. A loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread.
A bunch of grapes.
A bunch of grapes.
Half a kilo of oranges.
Half a kilo of oranges.
2 for $5.
2 for $5.
Nice. Now, more phrases at checkout. The cashier might say, "Do you need a bag?"
I can answer yes, please, or no, thank you. I have my bag.
Perfect. They may ask, "Do you have a membership?" That means a store card.
If I have it, I say yes, here you go. If no, no, not yet.
Great. Sometimes the cashier says, "Tap or insert." That is for your card.
I tap to pay. Done. Beep.
After you pay, they give you a receipt. The P is silent. It sounds like receipt.
Receipt. Silent P. Okay.
Keep the receipt. If there's a problem, you can return the item. "I'd like to return this, please. Here is the receipt."
That line is gold.
If you use self-checkout, the screen says, "Scan your items." You move the barcode over the scanner until it beeps.
If it doesn't beep, I try again. Slowly. Beep.
If you have a coupon, you can say, "I have a coupon," or at self-checkout, press coupon and scan it.
Save money. Yes, please.
Now, asking for help when something is out of stock. You can say, "Excuse me, do you have this in the back?" Or, "When will it be back in stock?"
When will it be back in stock? Polite and useful.
Another helpful line is there a cheaper brand? Or, "Do you have a smaller size?"
I use that a lot.
Same. Also, reading labels. Look for words like low fat, gluten-free, no added sugar.
If I'm not sure, I ask, what does this mean?
Yes, staff can explain. Now, let's do a quick role play, like real life. Ready?
Ready.
I am the shopper. You are the staff.
Okay.
Excuse me, which aisle is the rice?
Aisle 7 on the left.
Thanks. And how much is the jasmine rice?
It's $8.90 for 5 kilos.
Great. Is there a smaller bag?
Yes, 2 kilos for $3.90.
I'll take the 2-kilo bag. Also, do you have brown rice?
Yes, top shelf.
Nice. That was clear and friendly.
Thanks, I felt like a pro.
Now switch. You are the shopper.
Excuse me, where are the baskets?
By the entrance next to the flowers.
Thanks, and what's the price per kilo for apples?
$2.50 per kilo today. They're on sale.
Great, I'll take half a kilo.
Perfect. One small repair. Say, I'll take half a kilo, not I take. Use I'll for future plan.
I'll take half a kilo. Got it.
Pronunciation check. Receipt. Say it like receipt.
Receipt.
I'll. Say I'll.
Aisle.
Vegetables. Say it in 3 parts. Veg-ta-bulls. Short and smooth.
Vegetables.
Good. Rhythm practice. Make the important words strong. How much is this? Which aisle is the rice? Is this on sale?
How much is this? Which aisle is the rice? Is this on sale? Feels good.
Personalize it now. Think of your dinner tonight. What do you need?
I need chicken, rice, and broccoli. And maybe chocolate.
Say lines for your list.
Excuse me, which aisle is the rice? How much is this chicken breast? Do you have frozen broccoli? Is this chocolate on sale?
Nice. Add quantities.
I'll take 1 kilo of chicken, please. I'll take 1 kilo of rice. I'll take 1 bag of frozen broccoli. I'll take 1 bar of dark chocolate.
Beautiful. You can also say, I'm just looking, thank you, if staff offers help and you don't need it.
I'm just looking, thank you. That saves me when I'm shy.
Same here. Now, a quick speed round. I say a need, you make a sentence.
Let's go.
Need, milk.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Need, cheaper pasta.
Is there a cheaper brand of pasta?
Need, more apples.
Can I get 1 more apple, please?
Need, return yogurt.
I'd like to return this yogurt. Here is the receipt.
Boom, you are ready.
Wow, I feel much more calm now.
Friends at home, you can do this too. Next time you shop, try 1 line. Keep it simple, smile, breathe.
And listen for deals. 2 for $5. On sale. Buy 1, get 1 free.
Exactly. Before we close, a little gentle reminder. Today, we kept the same friendly pace as our fun mall chat from before, just focused on food shopping this time.
Nice connection. Same energy, new place.
So, quick recap. To find things, which aisle is? To ask money, how much is this? For quantity, half a kilo, a dozen, a loaf, a bunch, a bottle, a carton, a tub.
For deals, is this on sale? What's the unit price? For help, do you have this in the back? Is there a smaller size?
At checkout, do you need a bag? Do you have a membership? Tap or insert, here's my coupon.
And always keep the receipt. Silent PH.
Yes. Any last line you love today?
Which aisle is the pasta? It's simple. It opens the door.
Great choice. My favorite is, I'll take half a kilo. It sounds confident and kind.
Friends, try these lines today. Even 1 line helps.
You got this. We believe in you.
Thanks, Coach Emma.
Thank you, Learner Ben.
And thank you, Easy English friends.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.